Hello, so Woodworkers Workshop wanted to see if I wanted to try out a new tool, and I suggest, because I've been wanting one of these for years, is a microjig gripper. It all comes nicely packed with some very clear instructions, so the first job is to get it all put together. Now, I like to use the blade guard on my table saw, but I also like to cut joints on it. So for non-through cuts, you need to remove the guard. So hopefully this is really going to help make those cuts a lot safer. Now, it's not just for doing non-through cuts. You can just use it to do standard cuts as well. So say I want to rip down this bit of wood. I can set my fence, and then I can set the gripper so that this foot is not going to contract the blade and is going to support the bit of wood nicely. Lock that down. Now the blade will go through this gap, but this could tip over, so what we do, we lower these feet down, then it's nicely supported and you can push it safely through the blade, keeping your hands well out of the way. Now when you're passing a bit of wood through the saw blade, you want to apply pressure in 3 different directions. You want to push it down into the table, you want to keep it in towards the fence, and you want to be moving it forward. Now that can be quite difficult to do using a traditional push stick, and you tend to use your other hand to guide it towards the fence. Now with this gripper push block, it's easier to do all 3 things with using just one hand. Now it's great for cutting small parts which are notoriously difficult to do safely. And I've also been using it on the planer, and I think it'd be really useful as well using it on its side on the bandsaw to do rips. Now we've been able to apply pressure in 3 different ways. It should help reduce kickbacks, but I think even if you did get one, with this bit of lump of plastic between you and the blade gripping onto this handle is going to keep your hand nice and safe. So I think the table saw is one of the most dangerous machines in the workshop, so anything that makes it safer and actually makes cuts more accurate and easier to do, I think I'm all for, and I think you're going to see this in a lot of videos. So there's not much else to show you about it, but what I've done is I've used it to make something. So next week's video, you're going to see this a lot in action, and you're going to see it in a lot of videos from now on. So thanks for watching. Thank you to Woodworkers Workshop for sending me this. There'll be a link down below if you want to check it out, or any of the other great tools they sell. So thank you to my patrons, and please subscribe for more videos.